Wisconsin. The story of testing capacity in our state is an impressive one. We went from having no capacity in early March to now in August exceeding our current goal with a capacity of nearly 150,000 tests per week. So I want to thank our incredible public and private partners in Wisconsin, partners like Exact Sciences and Marshfield Clinic, and our new partner, Accelerated in Milwaukee. Thanks for all of your good work in helping making sure that we have the lab capacity to continue our testing efforts across the state. Additionally, as you know, on Saturday, Wisconsin's statewide face covering requirement went into effect. Folks, I want to thank you for doing your part to flattening the curve to prevent the further spread of this virus and to help keep our friends, family, and neighbors safe. And I'm not the only one who appreciates your efforts and wants you to wear a mask. Katie from Green Bay, who is a mother of two and wrote to me and said she cares for her 80-year-old grandparents. She's worried every day for their safety. She appreciates your efforts. There's Bria, a college student from Kenosha who is worried and anxious to go back to school. And Abby from Milwaukee who emailed to say she works with small businesses and wants to see them safely stay open. Or the countless healthcare providers like frontline nurses Kathleen and Olivia and Thomas, who is a physician from Wausau, who all wrote about the importance of masks. They all appreciate your efforts to wear a mask and keep their communities safe. And there are countless businesses across our state who want to keep their workers and their customers safe, and they want you to mask up too. Because as I've said many times before, public health is a team sport. We need everyone to take this seriously because it's on all of us together to ensure our public health efforts are successful, our businesses can stay open, and our state can bounce back together. We were in a pretty good place a few months ago, but we've hit some serious setbacks, folks. And we will continue to have setbacks until we decide we're all in this together. So please remember to wear a mask whenever you are indoors or in an enclosed space other than a private home. Anytime another person who is not a member of your household is present in the same room or enclosed space, and anytime you are outside and unable to safely maintain 6 feet of distance from others. And I want to be clear, masks are not a substitute for physical distancing. As Secretary-designate Palm explained last week, with community spread statewide, you should assume anytime you're out in the community, you could have had contact with this virus. So above all, the safest thing to do is stay home and avoid gatherings of friends and family. That means bars, backyard barbecues, and family get-together, folks. It's just not worth it. More than 55,000 Wisconsinites have tested positive for COVID-19, and some are fighting for their lives as we sit here today. We've had 949 deaths in the state. And that means families have had to say goodbye to loved ones, to mothers, fathers, grandparents, siblings, and friends, to community members, and familiar faces. It's not worth it. If you do come into contact with folks outside your household or start experiencing even minor symptoms of COVID-19, get tested. Call your healthcare provider or find a local community testing site and isolate yourself from others until you get results. I know it's tough. I know Wisconsinites from Superior to Beloit are making some huge, huge sacrifices. But I can tell you, folks, every time you stay home or you wear a mask, you could be saving a life. That's worth it. We need to work together to get Wisconsin back on track to beating this virus so that we can get back to the activities we all enjoy and miss, and so our economy, communities, and our state can recover. Now, I would like to turn it over to DHS Deputy Secretary Julie Willems-Van Dyke for her update. Julie?
Thanks, Governor. Good afternoon, and thank you for taking the time, Governor Evers, for recognizing the great work our Wisconsin labs are doing. Like Governor Evers said, lab capacity in Wisconsin has grown from 0 to over 24,000 tests per day since March. It's an impressive number, but what is even more significant is what that lab capacity has allowed us to do in our response to COVID-19. Because we have continually expanded our lab capacity in Wisconsin, we have been able to test and retest our healthcare workers in hospitals and skilled nursing facilities who are on the front line of this pandemic. We have been able to respond quickly to outbreaks and offer testing to entire facilities and businesses. We have been able to expand our testing criteria from only testing the sickest people to testing people with mild symptoms and those who have been in close contact with someone who has COVID-19. And thanks to our expanded lab capacity and our partnership with the Wisconsin National Guard, we have been able to stand up community testing sites across our entire state. And every time we expand the state's access to tests, like we are announcing today, it means strengthening our response as well. One of our greatest areas of need for a strong response is protecting our skilled nursing facilities. We must protect this vulnerable population from COVID-19 because they are at such a high risk for severe illness or death. And that is why we are prioritizing these newly acquired tests for nursing homes with the goal of regularly repeating testing for all employees of skilled nursing facilities, along with symptomatic residents. This is the kind of response that saves lives. It is the kind of response that increased testing makes possible, and it is the response Wisconsin is committed to as we work towards this goal. As of today, we have 83 active labs running COVID-19 tests in Wisconsin. We also have 928,845 people who have had negative tests, an increase of 17,410 since yesterday. There are now 56,056 confirmed cases of COVID-19, an increase of 728 people since yesterday. And we mourn the loss of 961 people who have left us, an increase of 12 of our fellow neighbors and friends since yesterday. Thank you again to our public and private partners who make this response possible. And thank you to the residents of Wisconsin. Keep staying home when possible, limiting your trips to the essentials, practicing physical distancing, and wearing a face covering. Remember, I wear a mask for you, and you wear one for me. And together, we can stop the spread.